The book I chose was Narnia, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, which was written by C.S. Lewis. This story took place in World War. The four children, Peter, Edmund, Lucy, and Susan, were evacuated from London. They were sent to live with a professor. Lucy discovers that there is another world behind a wardrobe, which is called Narnia. Narnia isn't always perfect, because it stays winter and never Christmas. The White Witch arrives and begins her rule, and the four children meet mythical creatures. There's always a problem happening in Narnia. Another reason why Narnia isn't perfect is because when you're there, 100 years have passed, but only seconds have passed by in real life. Peter, the oldest child, is very protective of his other siblings. Susan is the second oldest. She tends to act like a mother to her siblings, and she's always very adventurous. Edmund, the second youngest, is very selfish and complains a lot. He doesn't like receiving orders from his siblings and likes doing stuff on his own. Last but not least, there's Lucy. She's the youngest, and she cares so much about her siblings, and she's also adventurous and kind. The conflict in this novel is when the White Witch takes Edmund and wants to kill the protagonist, Aslan, the lion. The author describes every part in this book specific and made me want to keep on reading because it was just so interesting. This book was interesting because so much happens and the four siblings try their best to fight for their lives. I really enjoyed this book because it was very adventurous, and I would recommend this book to the people who enjoy action and adventure novels. My favorite part would probably be when Aslan returns safely in the end and the four siblings get to see him. So now you know a bit about Narnia.